And now I'm here in the kitchen getting ready for Halloween with my friend, this bee, Chef Terry Cole. And Terry, what are we gonna make? We're gonna have a Halloween party and we're actually gonna start with something healthy, right?
It is healthy and
Nice.
it's tasty. It's very versatile. It's a pumpkin carrot bisque.
Ooh.
And so we're using carrot and apple juice and curry and some warm spices.
Yum. And we have to start with these carrots.
With these carrots. And here's something you may not know. Don't peel your carrots when you're roasting them. You've paid for it, it's healthy, and it's one less step.
All right, and it's not gonna affect
No.
the soup.
Not at all, because
Nice.
we're gonna immersion blender it. So one of the tips that I love to promote is because they cook at different stages for their
Right,
their
this carrot's
size.
really fat up here and skinny
Yeah.
down there.
So it's called oblique. So you cook it at an angle and that gives it more exposure. And then what the ultimate is that they are the same weight and they're gonna cook or roast, shall we say. So let's put these in a bowl.
All right.
I think we have a bowl
We
here.
do.
And we're gonna just put them in and drizzle some oil, that, a little bit of salt, kosher salt. Fresh cracked pepper is the best, not necessary, but if you have it, it does add a burst of flavor.
And texture too.
Yeah, nice crunch.
Yeah.
Pop 'em. So just toss these, get the oil on everything. And if you have a blank or parchment-free sheet pan, then the roasting is better when it connects with the metal. Gives a little more roasting, and just kind of shake it out so that everything connects.
All right.
And then we're gonna roast it at 450 for 25 minutes.
All right, I'll put that in the oven.
Yeah.
Our carrots are roasted, so it's time to put the rest of the soup together, right?
Let's do this nice, warm, creamy base soup. So we're gonna add, we've got a vegetable broth.
Okay. And you can
Go
use
ahead.
any kind of stock or broth that you want.
chicken or vegetable. And we can go ahead and turn the burner on if you want, just
Sure.
to get things going and piping hot. Let's put in the pumpkin. This is sort of, I loosely say, a dump recipe.
This is a little healthy for my Halloween, but we're gonna put some heavy cream in it, so
Yeah,
that'll
so we can
offset
stir
that.
as we go.
All right.
Little heavy cream. This is for body. Again, if you want to use evaporated milk or half and half, that's an idea as well. I'm going to put the maple syrup, so we're combining recipes with ingredients. And so that's a sweetener, as is apple juice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I don't
you
think I've ever put apple juice in a soup before.
Yeah. So we'll add that. Go ahead and mix. So these are our warm spices. And with this, we're gonna put a little bit of cracked pepper just to give it some backbone. That offsets everything with the spices, as does the salt. Kosher salt. And that's it for ingredients. We'll bring that up to temperature.
Okay.
We're gonna add the carrots and then immersion blend, garnish,
Wonderful.
and we'll be able to put it in a bowl and taste.
Wonderful. So we'll just wait till we see some bubbles here.
Exactly, around the edge.
All right, it's bubbling away, Terry. So that means we're ready to add the carrots, right?
Yes,
All
let's
right.
do.
And I'm gonna move this closer
Okay.
to you so
Yeah.
that it's a little easier to get in there with that immersion blender.
That'd be great. And we've got our roasted carrots. They've got color and that's flavor. Do you want to kind of help me?
sure.
I don't want those to jump.
Yeah, we don't want to, oh, we may splash a little.
There
There we
we
go.
go. Perfect. And so we'll just stir those in. And then we've got our immersion blender. These are priceless. This just avoids having to go into a blender or
Yeah.
a food processor. and do it in different batches. I also prefer texture, so you can make this just as creamy as you like, or if you still want some bites of carrots. Thing to remember is to keep the blade under. Ooh, yeah, so we'll just get this going. All right, that looks really good. It's all heated through. And save all that goodie. We're gonna just give it one more stir.
All right.
And we can serve it up and garnish.
Well, it smells wonderful.
Yeah, it
Looks delicious.
Oh, yes.
You could use it. That's wonderful.
Yeah. So we'll just get some of this numminess. So we'll just go like that.
All right. And you're going to dress it up just a little bit.
I have to. Yes, I do before I can let it go. So we're going to try and put a little bit of the sour cream in it. Just, or you could drizzle it, but that looks nice. A little quenelle and some roasted pumpkin seeds to further enhance the pumpkin.
Nice. Well, it looks beautiful. Let's give it a try.
And we can take a taste, see.
All right.
Blow, blow, blow.
It is really good. I love that roasted carrot flavor that comes through, and they're little bites of carrots, and that really sets it off. And there's the sweetness, but it's savory, and I think the pumpkin seeds add a really nice crunch.
The texture, yeah, for sure.
Well, this is wonderful.
I'm glad you like it. It was fun to create and to bring to you today.
Thank you, Chef Terry.
Thank you.